Hi everyone, I am Simran Jain and currently I am an intern at KPC Medical College and Hospital Jadavpur, which is in Kolkata. So thank you for all the love and appreciation on all my previous videos, and I had recently made a video on the books to be followed in your final year of MBBS, and a lot of you have requested me to make a similar one on the books to be followed in your third year of MBBS, right? So before beginning with the actual video, I'll be briefing you about your third year of MBBS. So third year of MBBS is mainly three subjects that you have to cover. It's preventive and social medicine or community medicine. The second is ophthalmology or eye, and the third one is ENT, that is eye, nose and throat. So these are the three subjects that you have to cover in your third year of MBBS, right? So actually these two subjects, that is ophthalmology and ENT, won't cause much trouble to you. Where you will find some problem, actually most of us find problem in this subject, is basically community medicine or preventive and social medicine. Why we find some problem is because it is very vast, okay? The syllabus is huge, so we find some problem in covering up the syllabus, right, in this subject. So you have to be choosy about your books in this particular subject of community medicine. Now before beginning with the video, I would like to inform you that just like my previous video, what I did was I made a Google form and distributed it amongst all my juniors who are currently in their final year, amongst other interns and amongst my seniors as well. So they have taken a survey to help you out to find out the books, right? So I'll be sharing those pictures as well and let you know the statistics. So let's get started with it. So the first subject that we're going to discuss about is preventive and social medicine or community medicine. Now let me warn you that the subject is huge. It is extremely vast, okay, this subject. So before beginning with the actual book review, let me tell you there is one book, the standard book in this subject, which is a must have, and that is PARC, right? So PARC's preventive and social medicine, that is a must have book. Now why I am saying this is because it is a standard book, okay? So it will again further help you in your future preparations as well. And in fact teachers, they like to hear answers from PARC in your Viva as well. So PARC is a must have book, but what the problem with PARC is, it is a huge book, right? It has got so many things written and so many information that for most of us it is not possible to complete the book, and it is not possible to open right before the day of your exam and read through PARC, okay? So that is the problem with PARC, but it is a must-have book. Now what I'll do is I'll take you to the Google form or the survey page and then discuss about the individual book. Okay, so as you can see that I have somewhat 90 responses on my Google form, and see, like I said, majority of the people, like 64% approximately, followed PARC with some side book, right? And there were only 16.7% of people who read only through PARC, right? They read only through PARC, and some of them preferred books like Dr. Vivek Jain's book and Quest. And these side books, I'll be discussing about them. Let me write them down over here. So the side book could be number 1, Maiti Mondal. Number 2, it could be Community Medicine Buster. And number 3, it could be a Quest, right? So these are the 3 side books which they preferred. PARC is a must-have book. You cannot neglect it, right? That is my opinion. In fact, most of the people, if you would see, they have referred to PARC, okay? So PARC is a must-have book. Now moving on to the side books. Now out of the side books, let's first discuss Maiti Mondal. Okay, so in Maiti Mondal, see, it has a book which is quite organized and systematic, okay? And there are a few topics which I would like you to go through if you are choosing Maiti Mondal as the book, would be immunization, family planning and statistics portion. So these are the portions which you can specifically refer from Maiti Mondal. They are wonderfully given. right? And in fact, these portions, if you read them once from this book, then you can also refer to this book again in medicine, pediatrics as well, right, for these topics. So it's a good book in that sense. Now another thing is that it is a very student friendly book. The language is very good, like you can easily read through the book. Another thing is that it has got headings and subheadings, right? So it's more like a notes format, so it's easier for you to read. Now one more area where Maitri model is extremely useful is, gradually as you read through your third year MBBS, you will realize that there are some questions, the BMOH type of questions which they give in community medicine. Okay, so those BMOH type of questions are beautifully given in Maitri model, so you can refer to them for these particular type of questions. So that is about Maitri model. Now the second book is the Community Medicine Buster. So Community Medicine Buster, yes, it is a chapter wise book. The chapters that you find in PARC, they are similarly present over here, but these are in question answer format. So if there are some questions that have came in your university or your semesters, they are mentioned over there, and then the answer following that is given. So it is in that format, question answer format. It is quite a good book, and I have myself read it, Buster. What I did was I combined Buster with PARC. So most of the answers your teachers want to see from PARC. So PARC is a go-to book, and then you can combine the Buster with it. Then the third book is the Quest. Now see, the Quest is a good book for students who are from West Bengal University, right? Because it contains the previous questions of West Bengal University only. So Quest is a side book for as an option of a side book only for these West Bengal University students. Now another book is Dr. Vivek Jain's book. So once again, Dr. Vivek Jain's book, you can combine it either with some notes if you have it, or you can combine it with PARC, right? So PARC is a go-to book. Along with PARC, you can have any of these 4 books, and you will have to combine. I am not saying that these books cover all the answers. You will have to refer to, like, combine these 2 books together and write your answers, right? So PARC and any of the side book like Maitri Mondal, Buster, the Quest for the West Bengal University students, and Dr. Vivek Jain's book. So this is for preventive and social medicine or community medicine. That is how you go about this subject. Now coming to ophthalmology, for ophthalmology, the unparalleled book is Khurana. So in the survey that I did, Khurana was chosen by 71% of the people. The others referred to some class notes or coaching institute notes or class PPTs, but the book that you need to have for ophthalmology is Khurana. Like, I would recommend only that book. Also, one more point about Khurana would be that at the end of the book, it covers all the instruments and the practical portions as well. So except for long cases and short cases, you won't need any other book than Khurana. Now for ENT, I would not show the survey because 95% of the people have chosen only one book, the standard book for ENT, that is Dhingra. And there is no other book that I would recommend for ENT, because you can yourself understand if 90% of the people have read from Dhingra, it is the book to go for. And once again, like Khurana, even this will cover the instruments and the practical portions at the end of the book. Okay, so that's it about the books in your third year. And a little tip from my side would be that for completing your third year subjects, you have a lot of time at hand. Which does not mean that you can sit back and relax. What I would suggest is incorporate some time to read medicine or surgery or both of them in your third year itself, right? Start it from now so that it will be easier for you next year. Things would not look new to you, right? So that would be a little tip from my side, because final year is extremely vast, right? It's double or triple, or maybe all the 3 years combined together is equivalent to final year. So be prepared, and all the very best for your exams. And thank you so much for watching, and do like, comment, share and subscribe if you did really enjoy this video and if it was helpful for you.